In this video, I will present the resident's profile. When you log into Careview, you are presented with the service dashboard. Just click onto residents and you'll be presented with the active residents that live in the care home. You are presented with a list showing the IDs, the profile pictures, the names, the primary mental health condition. You also can see if the resident has access to a Careview online account. If they don't, you can send them an invitation if they have the capacity to participate independently in their care planning. Here you can see how far we've got with the profile completion. This includes things like completing the admission documents online. Here you have the ability to edit or discharge a resident. And when you discharge a resident, they go into the discharge residents area. So let's have a look at what the resident profile looks like. So when you register a resident, this is what you are presented with. The resident registration page is very simple and it is completely customizable.